every street, every show, every crowd, every glory. From the falls to the bay, from the prairies to the sea, every moment on the way, you can come along with me. Watch my way, watch my way. See Canada come alive. Watch my way, watch my way. Every place, every light.
Mga kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, ka-Fiestas of Atienza, let's give a round of applause for Miss Shaina Magdayaw! Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Vaughn! Vaughn, are you ready to fiesta with me? Again, Vaughn, are you ready to fiesta with me? I can't hear you! Sa lahat ng mga nandito, are you ready to fiesta with me? Alright! Friday night and the night's alone. Hello sa inyo! For a place to go where they play the rock music, getting in the swing, you come to for me. Hello sa inyo lahat dyan sa likod! Anybody can be that guy. Night is young and the music's high. Where they play the rock music, everything's fine. You're in the mood for this. Are you in the mood to dance? And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, always ating mga dancers. At syempre po kayo, magandang gabi, Von! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nag-e-enjoy po ba kayo? Or actually, I think I should rephrase that. Ready po ba kayong mag-enjoy with me? You know, it is my first time po here. Hello? Hello po sa mga tao dyan sa likuran. At dito naman po sa aking kaliwa. Pati po yung nandoon sa likuran. Sana makalapit ako sa inyo mamaya. Okay lang po ba yun? Ayun ang ating mga kababayan. So if I go down, where do I pass? So okay lang po ba na bababa po ako? Alam niyo, I am really very happy to be here. First time ko pong magpunta ng Toronto. At syempre, tuwang-tuwa po ako dahil napakaraming Pilipino ang nandito. Last year, we were here sa Vancouver po for ASAP. Sino ang nanonood ng ASAP? Meron ho ba sa inyo ang nagpunta dito sa Vancouver para manood? O malayo masyado? Ang layo po, ano? Kaya ako na lang po ang dinala dito. Okay lang po ba yun? And so I want to thank Philippine Fiesta Extravaganza for, of course, inviting me. Palakpakan naman po natin. And TFC. Okay, hindi ko na po ito patatagalin pa. Pag sinabi natin ng mga Pilipino, mahilig pong sumayaw, hindi ho ba? Agree po ba kayo? At mahilig rin pong kumanta. Tama po ba? Lalo na ang mga Bisaya. Maraming nakabalita sa akin na marami daw akong kababayan dito. Asan po ang mga Cebuano na nandito, mga Bisaya? Ang dami. Basta talaga mga Bisaya at saka mga Pilipino, pakalat-kalat po talaga sa mundo. Hindi ho ba? But anyway, ituloy-tuloy na po natin ang ating celebration. Okay lang po ba yun? So kung sinayawan po namin kayo kanina, this time around, kakantahan ko naman po kayo. Okay lang po ba? Pero syempre, itong mga kantang kakantahin ko, I am really very sure alam niyo po ang mga kantang to. So, sana po, sabayan niyo po ako. Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang buho, hanggang lumulong ang luha. Hello! Hanggang mahulog ang tala. Alam niyo ba ito? Basta mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama? Di mo na kailangan ng pagod mahiya. Hindi na. Di mo na kailangan ng humanap na. Hi, darling. Kalimutan na muna lahat ng problema. Huminga ng malalim at tayo'y lahat. Handa ka na ba? Gumala. Come on, sing with me, boy. Louder. Alam niyo ba to? Alright! Ang daming bawal sa mundo, sinasakal nila tayo. buksan ang puso at isipan. Balibanin ang kamalayan. Basta mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako'y maligid parang nasa alapaatan. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto niyo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto niyo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Sumama. Woo! Bale, umakyat na lang po ako para lahat po kayo makita ako. Itong susunod na kanta po, sigurado po ako alam nyo rin po ito. Please sing with me. Lift your head. Baby, don't be scared of the things that what? Along the way. We'll get by with the what? With a smile. You can't win on everything, but you can try. Maybe you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to worry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. But we're closing all their doors, and they don't want you anymore. And it sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Alam ng mga tao doon! Hey, through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day, get by with a smile. You'll never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody is a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down or turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Can I hear you sing? Let me hear you sing it! Dito sa kanan! Magpapatalo ba yung nandito sa kaliwa? In a world where everybody makes a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down or turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. So lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a what? With a smile. And now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye. All together now. Let me hear you sing it. at malalapitan dyan sa likuran. Ano po? I love you too! Di bale, hindi ko man po kayo malalapitan. Meron pong mga ilang makakasama ako dito sa stage. Ha? Ikaw? Gusto mo bang samahan ako sa stage? Gusto niyo po bang samahan niya ako sa stage? Parang may mga hindi gusto. Bali mamaya po, meron akong dapat 3 naggagwapuhang makakasama sa stage. Hindi na pala tayo dapat mag-pre-select dahil maraming volunteers dito. Hindi ba? Meron hong 3. Pero syempre bago yon, pwede ho bang sayawan ko ho muna kayo? Kasama ang aking PIT dance crew. I can't hear you. Kasama ang aking PIT dance crew. Alright. Music please. Alright. Hands up everyone. Alright. I know. But I'm sure alam ko ba to? And so I'll have to pay. Alright. Think you're getting away. I'll prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. I'm just coming along. Hear me when I say, hey, it's better than dancing, boy. But you better not tell me to. Hey, it's better than dancing, boy. So you just have to pray. And if you get away, I know you'll be wrong. I'll take you all the way. Stay on the song. I'll know you all the way. But you said I'll see you. Gonna burn this whole damn house down. Then I'll feel free. Hey, we're gonna dance alone. But you better not see the blue. DJ, gonna burn this whole damn house back down. Come on, right here. Don't think you get me there. I will prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. You'll always come along. Hear me when I say, hey, it's been my dance floor. It's been my dance floor. DJ, gonna run this whole damn house right now. You better not tell me to. Hey, better dance floor. You better not think through. DJ, gonna run this whole damn house right now. Dance floor. better not lose. These days, gonna burn the sun down the house right now. I know. Better not lose. Hey, I know. Better not lose. Gonna burn the sun down the house right now. But you better not lose. Hey, it's murder on the dance floor. But you better not lose. DJ, gonna burn this song down the house right now. Woo! Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman po natin ang aking PIT dance crew. Okay. Ito na po ang sinabi ko kanina. I think it's time na meron po akong makasama sa stage. Asan na ang mga nagagwapuhang volunteers natin kanina? Alam niyo po, balita ko, marami daw gwapo dito sa Von. Tama ho ba ang narinig ko? Parang ayaw ni nanay, hindi. Sabi ni nanay. Pero totoo po ba ang narinig ko na marami daw gwapo? Sige nga! Asan ang mga nagagwapuhang kuya dito sa Von?
Miss Shaina, dala-dala ko na po ang alay natin para sa gabing ito. Ayan. Ito na ang mga nagagwapuhan. Ayan.
Palakpakan naman po natin.
Okay, ayan.
Okay.
Hindi lang sila mga gwapo, malulusog din. Oo. Dito sa Canada. Diba?
Paano mukhang masarap ang pagkain dito sa
Oo,
Canada,
super,
di ba?
yes.
Yun. Okay. I-interviewin po muna natin ang ating mga nagagwapuhang kuya. Grabe yung tawa ni nanay, oh. Okay, ang ating kuya gwapo number 1. Thank you, darling. Anong
Yes.
iyong pangalan?
Isaiah po.
Isaiah.
Isaiah, ilang taon ka na, Isaiah?
21 po.
Batang-bata?
Huwag kang mahiya. Tingnan mo si Miss Shaina,
Oo
ang
nga.
ganda-ganda, no? Parang Anne Hathaway.
Wow, nako.
Diba? 21, Isaiah.
21. Okay, ready ka na bang kumanta with me?
I'll try my best po.
Ayun, syempre. Pilipino yan eh. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating kuya number 1.
Yes.
And how about our kuya number 2? Hello.
Hello.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Ano ang iyong pangalan?
My name is Albert. Albert.
Albert. Ilang taon na si Albert?
31.
31. Are you ready to sing with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Mahiyain si Albert.
Oo. Palakpakan naman po natin si Albert.
Yes.
At ang ating guwapong kuya number 3 na mukhang maraming fans. Kuya, may tanong ako, Gcash mo ba tong mga to? Parang nabayaran. Hindi naman po. Ano ang pangalan ni kuya na maraming fans dito sa Von?
Jory po. Jory. Jory daw, Jory.
Kuya?
Jory ang hasyendero.
Oo.